Hey, my name is Aston and welcome to the SharePoint LMS training videos. This will be one of many videos that will inform you on how to use SharePoint LMS and how it can enhance your learning capabilities. Before we begin, I should probably address some things first. For starters, you may be asking, what is SharePoint LMS? Why should I care? And how is it any different from any other online learning systems that I've used? SharePoint LMS is an all-in-one learning management system that is built off of Microsoft's SharePoint system, which brings up the other question, what is SharePoint? Well, for those of you who don't know, SharePoint is an online web application platform by Microsoft that allows you to do many things like act as a content management system, serve as an intranet, extranet, hold documents, consult many things, and more, all in the ever so lovely cloud. But in layman's terms, it's basically just a really powerful tool that has many functions and it lives on a server somewhere so you can access it anywhere, hence the cloud reference. And since it is on this cloud, this means that you can theoretically access all the things you can do on it on any device that can access the internet. These things include things like your cell phone, your tablet, heck, maybe even your Nintendo Wii if you cared to do so. SharePoint LMS is a system built on SharePoint that is geared towards schools in order for teachers, faculty, students, and parents alike to have access to the powerful tools to enhance your learning experience. These tools include being able to manage your class roster, posting your homework, holding virtual classes, and many other things. Now, why should you care? Well, with SharePoint LMS you can do many things that you didn't think that you could do before, all with the power of the cloud. Remember how convenient it was when email came out, specifically webmail services like Hotmail and Gmail, and how it made your life easier because you had all the tools available to you at the touch of a login screen. You had access to all of your mail in one convenient spot, and you can keep in touch with your family, friends, coworkers, and services that you use. SharePoint LMS offers the same convenience, but instead for your learning experience. So, how is it any different from any other online learning systems that I've used? SharePoint LMS is different from the rest because since it's built off of Microsoft's SharePoint, it can do many things that other learning systems simply can't do. Things like advanced homework control, quiz and test question pools, and many other things. Also, SharePoint is used by major corporations to organize their entire company. Imagine what it can do for your class and how convenient it would be for a student. Furthermore, SharePoint is current, and it's meant to work on all major web browsers. There's no need for you to install Java or worry about compatibility. It just works, and it works fast. Also, SharePoint LMS is very vast and robust. You will find new uses for it every time you use it and discover things that aren't even covered on these videos. But instead of just blabbering on and giving you an entire sales pitch to you, I'll just let you see for yourself. And after all, if you're watching this, you'll probably already have access to it anyways. You just need to use it, and that's where these videos come in. With these videos, you'll be able to learn more about how to use SharePoint LMS to most of its abilities. For the rest of it, I'll leave that to the documentation. So without further ado, let's begin.